chapter, we'll be defining what application software is. Second, it will enable us to understand how system software interacts with the different application softwares that we use. Third is to identify the role of the user interface. Fourth is to explain how to start a software application, which is a great help for new learners. Fifth is to identify what are the widely used products and explain the key features of different software applications. Sixth is to identify the various products available as web applications. And lastly is to describe the learning aids available with many software applications. But before discussing about this, let us first define what is software. Software refers to the program that computer executes to perform a function. It can be developed and modified using programming languages and related utilities like script interpreters, editors, debuggers, compilers, and other tools. There are two major categories of software: the system software and the application software. System software consists of the program that controls the operation of a computer and its devices. Examples of these are the operating system and utility programs. While application software consists of the program designed to perform a specific task for users. It can be used as a productivity or business tool to assist with graphics and multimedia projects, to support home, personal, and education activities, and to facilitate communications. Application software is classified into 5 types. It may be a packaged software, custom software, public domain software, shareware, and freeware. Now, let's define these different types of application software, and let's start with packaged software. Packaged software are copyrighted software that meet the needs of a variety of users. One of the best examples of this is the Microsoft Office. Another one is custom software. Custom software are tailor-made software developed at users' request. Examples of these are the graphics and multimedia software, which are merely requested by many users. Public domain software. Public domain software are softwares donated for public use with no copyright restrictions. One of the best examples for this are the different web browsers. Shareware. Shareware are those software which are copyrighted and distributed for trial period. Freeware. Freeware are copyrighted softwares provided at no cost. There are many websites which offers freeware and does not need a payment in exchange. Now, let's talk on how the system software interacts with application software. System software serves as an interface between the user, the application software, and the computer's hardware. Before the application software can be run, the operating system, which contains instructions that coordinate the activities among computer hardware devices, must be loaded from the hard disk into the computer's memory. Now let us discuss the role of the user interface. User interface controls on how you enter data or instructions and how information display on the computer screen. Most of today's computer software programs have a graphical user interface or GUI. GUI combines text, graphics, and other visual images to make software easier to use. I will now explain to you on how to start a software application. But let us first tackle the different factors that we will meet on starting a software application. One of those is desktop. This is an on-screen work area with common graphical elements such as icons, buttons, menus, links, windows, and dialog boxes. A software application can be started by clicking its program name on a menu on desktop or a list of commands in the Start menu. By clicking the program name, it instructs the operating system to transfer the program's instruction from a storage medium into memory. Once started, the application displays in a window on the desktop. Now, what is window? Window is a rectangular area of the screen that is used to show the program, data, or information. At the top of the window is a title bar that contains the window's name. What are the widely used products, and what are its key features? These products are divided into 4 categories. First are the productivity business software applications. Second are the graphics design multimedia software application. Third are home personal education software application. And last but not the least, communication software applications.
Let's find out the different productivity or business software applications. Let's begin defining the productivity software. Productivity software are mostly used by people to become more effective and efficient while performing daily activities. Examples of these are word processing software, which allows users to create and manipulate documents that contain text and graphics. With word processing software, you can insert clip art into a document, change the margins, find and replace text, use a spelling checker to check spelling, or place a header and footer at the top and the bottom of a page, and vary font style and font size of the text. With spreadsheet software, is data organized in rows and columns, which are collectively called worksheet. The intersection of a row and column, called cell, can contain label, which pertain to text, a value which pertain to numbers, or a formula or function that perform calculation on the data and displays the result. Data software allows you to create and manage a database. A database is a collection of data organized to allow access, retrieval, and use of that data. A query is used to retrieve data according to specified criteria, which are restrictions the data must be met. Presentations graphic software is used to create presentations that communicate ideas, messages, and other information to a group through a slideshow. You can use clip art gallery to enhance your presentation with clip art, images, pictures, video clips, and audio clips. Now let's define Personal Information Manager, or PIM. It's a software that includes an appointment calendar to schedule activities,
an address book to maintain names and addresses, and a notepad to record ideas, reminders, and important information. A software suite is a collection of individual applications sold as a single package.
Project Management Software. This software allows you to plan, schedule, track, and analyze the progress of a project. Accounting software helps companies to record and report their financial transactions. And now, let's discuss
Graphic Design Multimedia Software Applications. Power users often use softwares that allows them to work with graphics and multimedia. Computer-aided design or CAD software assists in creating engineering, architectural, and scientific designs. Desktop publishing software or DTP is used to design and produce sophisticated documents. DTP is developed specifically to support page layout, which is the process of arranging text and graphics in a document. Paint software is used to draw graphical images with various on-screen tools.
Image editing software. It is the software that provides the capability to modify existing images, like Adobe Photoshop, except Pixelmator. Video editing and audio editing software. Video and audio editing software can be used to modify video and audio segments. Examples of video editing software are Video Editor, Sony Vegas, Cellusoft Movie Maker, and many more. For audio editing software examples are Adobe Audition, FL Studio, and etc. And now, let's talk about multimedia authoring software. Multimedia authoring software is used to create electronic interactive presentation that can include text, images, video, audio, and animation. Web page authoring software. These software are designed to create web pages and to organize, manage, and maintain websites like Website Creator, Web Blast, Web-to-Web Page, Web Design Studio, and etc. Many software applications are designed specifically for use at home or for personal or educational use. Here are the software belongs to this. Integrated software. Integrated software combines several productivity software applications that share a similar interface and common features into a single package. Another is personal finance software, which is an accounting program that helps pay bills, balance checkbook, track income and expenses, follow investment, and evaluate financial plans. Legal software. Legal software assists in the creation of legal documents and provide legal advice. Examples of these are custody exchange, legal suit, and etc. Next is tax preparation software. Tax preparation software guides users through the process of filing federal taxes. Examples are TurboTax, TaxAct, TaxBrain, and many more. Personal DTP software. Personal DTP software helps develop conventional documents by asking questions, presenting predefined layouts, and supplying standard text. Photo editing software. Photo editing software used to edit digital photographs like Picasa and Photoscape. Clip art image gallery. Clip art image gallery is a collection of clip art and photographs that can be used in all types of documents. Home design landscaping software. It is the software which assists with planning or remodeling. Educational software. Educational software teaches us particular skill and exists of about any subject. Examples of educational software are Microsoft Encarta, MindTwister Min, My Reading Coach, and etc. Reference software. Reference software provides valuable and true information for all individuals. Examples of these are Atlas, Google Earth, and Microsoft Encarta. Entertainment software. Entertainment software includes interactive games, videos, and other programs designed to support a hobby or provide amusement. Examples for these are VLC, Fruit Ninja, Winamp, and many more. One of the main reasons people use computer is to communicate and share information. That's why there were communication software created. What are those? First is email software. Email software is used to create, send, receive, forward, store, print, and delete email. Examples of these are Mozilla Thunderbird, G-Foxmail, Windows Live Mail, Pegasus Mail, and etc. Web browser is a software application used to access and view web pages such as Opera, Maxton, NCAA Mosaic, Netscape Navigator, Chrome, Internet Explorer, Safari, Tencent Traveler Firefox, AOL browser, and the world. Chat client. Chat client is a software that allows you to connect to a chat room, which permits user to chat via the computer. Examples are Google Talk, Skype, Nimbus, Yahoo Messenger. New chat clients nowadays that are existing are WeChat Line and KakaoTalk. Newsreader. It is a software program used to participate in a news group, which is an online area on the web where users conduct written discussion about particular subject. Examples are Fort Agent, X News, and etc. Instant Messenger. Instant Messenger is a software program installed to use instant messaging, a real-time communication service that notifies you when one or more people are online and then allows you to exchange messages or files. Examples are Paltalk, Miranda IM, eBuddy Audium, and many more. Groupware is a software application that helps group of people on a network work together and share information. Examples for these are Microsoft SharePoint, Bluetooth of IBM Company, and etc. Video conference. Video conference is a meeting between two or more geographically separated people who use a network or to the internet to transmit audio, video, or data.
And now, let us identify the various products available as web application. A web application is a software application that exists on a website. To access the web application, you must visit the website that offers the program. Some web applications are free. For others, you pay for use, service, support, or when a certain actions occurs. What is web-based training? Web-based training is a type of computer-based training that uses internet technology. Many websites offers web-based training to the general public. An application services provider, or ASP, is a third-party organization that manages and distributes software and services on the web. Let's describe the learning aids available with many software applications. Many software applications and websites provide learning aids such as online help, tax, or wizard. Online help is the electronic equivalent of a user manual, usually integrated into an application software package. Online help often is a context-sensitive, meaning that the help information is related to the current task being attempted. Most of the online help also provide links to the websites that have a facts page. Facts are frequently asked questions. These supplies answer the common queries. Many books are available to help you learn to use the features of a personal computer application package. Wizard. A wizard is an automated assistant that helps complete a task by asking questions and then performing actions based on the answers. Those are the different topics regarding application software. I hope you've learned something. Thank you!